In this video, we're going to walk you through exactly how to schedule emails in GetResponse, one of the most popular email marketing tools out there. If you're looking to streamline your marketing campaigns and save time, this feature is crucial. And stick around because by the end of this video, I'll not only show you the steps, but also reveal an exclusive offer for a free trial of GetResponse, along with some alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. Let's dive right into how to schedule emails in GetResponse. First, once you've logged into your GetResponse account, navigate to the Email Marketing section. You'll want to make sure you've created your email campaign before moving forward. If you haven't already, head over to Create Campaign and follow the prompts to set up your email. It's pretty straightforward, but if you need more help, their support is decent. Next thing you'll do is once you've created the campaign, you'll be taken to the screen where you can design your email. Once your design is ready, you'll move to the Send option. But instead of hitting Send Now, look for the Schedule button. This is where you'll set the time and date for your email to go out. You'll notice a calendar pop up where you can pick the exact time you want the email to be sent, including the time zone. Make sure you double check that it's set for the correct time zone to avoid any confusion. The fourth thing you'll do is simply hit the Schedule button after you've set your date and time, and voila! Your email is now queued to send at the time you specified. It's that simple, but GetResponse also lets you edit the scheduling anytime before it's sent, just in case you change your mind. Now, while GetResponse is a solid platform, the email scheduling feature isn't groundbreaking or unique. Many email marketing tools like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign offer similar scheduling capabilities. The difference with GetResponse is its overall ease of use and integration with other marketing tools. However, if you need advanced automation and segmentation features, GetResponse might not be as powerful as some other options on the market, like ActiveCampaign. Speaking of alternatives, there are a few platforms that might be a better fit depending on your goals. For instance, if you're looking for more advanced automation workflows, ActiveCampaign really stands out in this area. It offers deeper segmentation, robust reporting, and a more complex set of automation roles, which can be critical for businesses with more advanced needs. Finally, let's talk about the exclusive offer I mentioned earlier. By using the link in the description, you can unlock an extended free trial of GetResponse, giving you the chance to fully explore its features. But before you commit, I've also added a list of some amazing alternatives that offer free trials too, and could be more tailored to your business goals, especially if you're looking for advanced features like automation, segmentation, and in-depth analytics. So, if you want the best deal and exclusive benefits, don't forget to check the description for the link that gives you the best free trial. If GetResponse is your choice, awesome. But if you think another platform might suit your needs better, I've got those covered too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link for the best deals on these tools.